AP Cram, the AP Human Geography exam. Free response question 35. Alfred Weber's theory of industrial location. To get a head start on next year's APs, or for late test date takers, or just to review for your current AP classes, inbox me at memedicine@gmail.com. And if I have availability, I'll be able to connect with you or also inquire about purchasing exclusive review materials. According to Alfred Weber's theory of industrial location, three factors determine the location of a manufacturing plant. Can you think of what they are? I'll give you a really brief moment. The location of the raw materials, the location of the market, and transportation costs. Identify two industries that would locate near a market and explain under what conditions. All right, so take a brief moment to gather your thoughts and write down a clear and concise answer. Writing it out is the best kind of practice because that's how you'll be required to reproduce it on either the AP or your in-class exam, unless you guys are doing multiple choice, in which case writing it out means you really, really know it. No one's going to ask you, oh, what are the thoughts in your head? Or maybe they will if you guys test in like a debate oratory style. I don't know how your class. According to Alfred Weber's theory, an example of an industry that would be located close to its market of sale is a soft drink bottling plant. I'll give you a moment to think about why this could be. And just note, this is one example. There are probably myriads of examples that go beyond the scope of my mental capacity, and I'm sure a lot of you brainiacs can come up with some. Just be able to justify your answers, okay? So I'll give you a moment to think. Well, the weight and bulk are gained in processing something that's packaged. So the industry locates close to the market in order to minimize transportation costs. So with just about anything that starts out as a raw material, like soda, soft drinks, it's just like water, sugar, carbon, gases, you put all these things together, they start to add up as far as mass, okay? And mass costs to transport. So that's just kind of a common sense answer, nothing too fancy. All right. The second example, according to Alfred Weber's theory of industrial location, an example of a production plant or process that would be located close to the market is a bread products manufacturing plant. Okay. I'll give you a moment to think about why this is, but I'll also give you a hint. It's very similar to the reason for the first type of industry that we just previously went through, if you watched that portion. Okay, so for the exact same reason, in any manufacturing process, weight and bulk are gained in the processing and manufacturing of the item. Therefore, the industry locates close to the market in order to minimize transportation costs. So this reason or rationale can be applied to so many different manufacturing processes, okay?